So, I'm gonna make this video. I've had so many people ask me, so I posted in my story yesterday this hairstyle that I did on Kaylee. It's kind of like a braid, but it is not. It is a fake braid. All you use is elastics, and so many people asked me how. Y'all, it is so easy. If you cannot braid, you can do this. I can personally French braid, not that good. This is so easy. So we are gonna work on Miss Kaylee's hair. And yeah, I told people I would do a quick tutorial on how to do it. Anybody can do this, anybody. It's literally that simple. It is elastics and a comb, no French braiding, no braiding involved at all. So let's get into this. All right, so first thing I do is we're gonna part it right down the middle. Y'all, when I say this is super easy, and I know how to French braid. I'm not the greatest at it, but I can French braid. But this is a perfect alternative, and it's so cute. And you can kind of puff the braids up, braids, like as much as you want to make them look thicker. Yeah, we found this and could not believe how simple it was, how easy. Y'all, you're gonna be shook. Especially y'all moms that, like I said, can't French braid. This is gonna be a lifesaver to you. I will say, like, you're gonna need a lot of clear elastics, clear, black, clearly whatever you have. You will be able to see them, that's why I say clear. But I just kind of run one color down one side and another color down the other side. So, there's that. She's parted right down the middle. And so comb and elastics. That's it. You're gonna raise your head up, Miss Kaylee. You're gonna take about just a small section on the top, like this. And you can actually go, you can go as far back or as far up as you want to. Kaylee has really fine, thin hair, so sometimes I have to take a little more because it slides out. But depending on where you want your braid to start, so you can go farther back down, you can start right up here on the top, totally up to you and where you want it to start. So you just take that little piece, you're gonna do your clear elastic. Kaylee, we forgot a clip, so you're just gonna have to help me hold, okay? You're gonna go around I do 3 times. It doesn't need to be tight, but it don't need to be loose either. So you want it right dead in the middle. And that's it. So Kelly's gonna hold that. You can get a clip, that's normally what we do, but I forgot the clip, so she's just gonna help me hold. So you do that first ponytail right there in the front, and then you just take the next section. Just like you would if you were French braiding, you're taking sections in. So just a regular size section right here. And you're gonna do the same thing. 1, 2, 3. And you don't have to worry about tightening it up real tight or pulling it because you're gonna do all that later at the end. Okay? So this is the main part, y'all. So you take the first ponytail, you split it in half. You're gonna split it right down the middle. And then you take that bottom pony and put it through the middle of those strands. Okay? So now you have that. Now you're gonna take your next section. Y'all are gonna be shook when you see how easy this is. It's literally that simple. You're just gonna repeat that step over and over. So now you take those 2 little sections that you split in 2, and then put your next one in. Three times. Okay, so Kylie, give me yours. Now you take that section that's up there, split it in half. You're gonna Like I said, y'all, it's literally repeating that same step over and over. The top one gets split open, the next one goes up through the middle of it, and then you pick up more hair. It's so easy, and it gives you that cute braided look without the braid. And when I say it's so much easier, like I said, I can French braid, not the best at it. To me, this is way easier. Okay? Then you're gonna split this in half again. The bottom one goes up through the middle. Kelly? Like I said, if you don't have, like, if you're doing like a small kid that can't hold, like a small kid that can't hold, just get like a clip, and you can clip it up there every time. Like I said, that's normally what we would do, but I forgot it and I already started the video, so I'm not gonna like walk off just to go get it, but it's definitely a lot easier that way, guys. And then even so, when you run out of hair, and I'm going to show you, but even when you get to the bottom and you run out of hair, you're still completing those same steps. Like, you're just going to keep doing this all the way down. Okay, so see, now we're out of hair, but we're gonna keep repeating these steps. So we're still gonna split the top one. The bottom one's gonna go through. She's gonna hold it. And then you're gonna still just come down here and pop the ponytail holder in. So you're not picking up any hair, but you're still gonna do those steps. So. Splitting the hair. The bottom one goes up to be held. Putting a ponytail holder in. And y'all, if you don't want, like, if you want the one braid look, like straight down the middle, you can even do that. You can do just one. You don't have to do one on both sides. So, that's another option. Especially if you want to do it a little quicker, or if you're kind of in a hurry, you could do just the one, and it would take you less time. But yeah, see, we're splitting this top one that comes down, sending this one up the middle, and then once I get to a certain spot, I can just kind of keep it back here with me. And then take this, split it. Y'all, tell me how easy this is. Like, for real. Like, so easy. And like I said, if you got a clip, you can just clip that up every single time and just get it out of your way. And it also kind of reminds you of like where to go next with your hair bows. But this is so cute, super easy. Takes all you need, like I said, is just some little rubber bands. I would like to have the clear ones, clear or black or something like that, but all we had was the colored ones, which was fine because I just did like yellow on one side and orange on the other. And after you puff the hair up, like you're gonna see them, but you're not gonna see them that much. Like, they're not gonna be that noticeable, and I'll show you what I mean in a minute. Like, this is even cute just the way it is right here. but we make it just a little better, and we will start like pulling it out. And like I said, you can make it as thick as you like you can pull the braid apart to however you like it. So we are almost done on this side. And then okay, so we're running out of hair here. Now we're with this. So this would be the part that we split open, right? We split the top open and then run that through. Well, when you get close to the bottom, you're gonna still do that, but then you're gonna wrap it around like you would. So you're gonna still flip that through the middle, pull that around, and then you're just gonna rubber band all that together. And then this last one I make just a little tighter, so I'll do 4 times because that's the one that's kind of holding all this together. So there's the final look, guys. And then this is the last step. You go through and you start pulling. So this one you want to kind of pull tight, just like you would a ponytail. You know how you girls, how when we pull our ponytails tight, that's what you're gonna do with these. You're just gonna pull and then pull. And this is what I'm saying. You can do this until you get them as thick, as full looking as you want. And this is where that braided kind of French braid looks comes from. Like my husband yesterday, he was convinced that her hair was braided. He was like, what is it? A fishtail braid? Like any braid that he's ever heard of, he was naming it off. And I was like, no, it's not a braid at all. But it does. It really gives that illusion of a braid. So yeah, see? You can just keep pulling that out. And this part, you can even take this part and kind of give it that little like poof-like look. Like give it some texture. You can leave the, what do you call these? These little strands of hair right here. And yeah, just play with it. Like I said, you can do this on both sides. You can do it right down the middle and have that like one big braid and then poof those out too. I've done my hair personally like that a few times and I get so many compliments. So this is not only for kids, like girls, you can do this too. I've done my hair like this a couple times. Not normally the 2, but I do mine down the middle because that's easy. That's something I can do by myself. I haven't attempted doing the 2 braids on mine yet, but. So that's it. That is it. Final look. It's that easy, y'all. You literally start with 2 ponytails, make 1, then you make 2, and then you just always open the top one in half, pull the bottom one through, then collect hair, ponytail. Open the top one, pull the top one through. It's that simple. And then when you get done, fluff it up. That's it. I told y'all. So easy. What do you think about it, Kaylee? Tell them. You can turn. What do you think about this hairdo in general? Look at him. Talk to him. Can't hear you.
I like it.
We got a lot of compliments on it. So I actually, I had so many people message me and was like, okay, show me your ways. I need to know this. So this is something we wanted to do. But yeah, it's super cute, y'all. Super easy.
And my mom is not really good at French braiding.
Yeah, I can French braid, but like I said, y'all.
But it's not that.
It ain't it. It ain't it. Alright, so there's your video, y'all. Super easy. I don't know what this is called. I'm sure it has a name. We call it the fake French braid, so let's see what y'all got. If y'all
I guess
do it,
now we call it the fake French braid.
yes. If y'all do it, shoot me a message. Let me see what y'all do. Love y'all.